First, it was the rule of 6 and a 10 p.m. curfew. Now, in the face of a surge of COVID cases, Londoners face new restrictions on social gatherings indoors.
The central change is that people cannot now meet other households socially indoors. This applies in any setting, at home or in a restaurant or in any other venue. The rule of 6 still applies in any outdoor setting.
This week, Prime Minister Boris Johnson introduced a 3-tier system, with each level bringing with it tighter controls. London has now moved from medium to high, which maintains the previous rules and in addition limits indoor gatherings to 6 people of the same household. The approach has been criticized for being hard to understand.
But the messaging we're getting from the government is so confusing. The 3 tiers, we're going into tier 2. What's tier 3? It's very, very confusing.
Don't think it will work, think it's a waste of time.
The government is considering moving some cities in northern England to the highest tier, which would require some businesses to close. The pushback from local leaders has been unequivocal.
Greater Manchester, the Liverpool City region and Lancashire are being set up as the canaries in the coal mine for an experimental regional lockdown strategy as an attempt to prevent the expense of what is truly needed.
The UK has more COVID deaths than any other country in Europe, with 650,000 cases and more than 43,000 fatalities. The health secretary says infection rates are on a steep upward path, with the number of cases doubling every 10 days.
Now, amid the pandemic, the issue of Brexit has slipped from the